This is our fat pack container house. And this is our fourth generation Dayfold container house. And this is our quick assembly container house. These two houses have pre-installed the roof and floors, so they have a much stronger main structure. However, you'll need a crane to lift the roof during installation. What's more, the interior dimension of shipping container determine two key points. Firstly, the max external size of these houses when they're folded. I want to add one more point. The corner posts of fat pack container house are not pre-installed, so we can have a higher clear height. Well, the corner posts of the Dayfold container house have been pre-installed, so the clear height cannot be changed. Second, the interior dimension of shipping container also affects the unit number we can fit inside. For example, the standard container house can fit 8 units per 40 HQ. We also have a small frame version can fit 10 units. If you want a larger interior space, the quick assembly container house is the better choice. You don't need a crane to set them up. They're shipped as fully disassembled parts, so they took up less shipping space. The standard size of this house can be larger, and you can fit more units in one shipping container. If you want to know more details, feel free to contact me anytime.